Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arsun Woods, and here I have a ceiling swing for you. A ceiling swing has three things: a seat, chain, and the ceiling hook. And I'll talk everything about the size, the designs, the patterns, the distance between the hooks, the bottom colors on the seat, on the sides, how the chain length is calculated with cushion, without cushion, reversible seat. Because a lot of people call us to understand the requirement and we explain them how it works. And in this video, I'll answer all those questions. First, the seat part. This 5 feet outer, the width is 26 inches, the back height is 21, the total height. And this is teak wood in natural teak finish, high gloss finish, as you can see. And this can work with cushion or without cushion. I'll show you the cushion a little later. It just has to be placed on top of it. So this is the seat right now. Then we have animal figure brass chain in antique finish, solid brass chain, and then the hooks on the top. I'll give you the options. I'll explain the options on the hook as well. First, the seat part. Let's understand this one. So right now you're looking at it without the cushion. In the seat, we have two options. One is with cushion, without cushion, and then fixed back or reversible seat. Reversible seat is a very nice concept when you are placing the jhula somewhere in the middle of the room where you have view from both the sides or approach from both the sides. If this back is going to a wall, let's say there is a wall here, then definitely you don't want it reversible. But this is placed in right in the middle of the room, then the reversible option is really good. So you just need to pick the back, move it the other side, and it works from both the sides. I'll place the cushion and show it to you as well. So this is the cushion the client selected, and all we need to do is just place the cushion right here, and now this becomes a seat with cushion. I'll sit on it, I'll show it to you. You can use it anyways you like. The fabric is selected by the client. What they selected, we have used it. You want a different color, we can do that. You want a different color for the seat, we can do that. It's a natural finish. You can go for darker color or mahogany, cherry, or you can go for paints like gold, silver, and off-white, white. And there's so many colors: triple shade, dual shade, champagne, then gold leafing, silver leafing. All these options we have done. We have already so many videos available on YouTube where you can see the options and we can do what you like. About the chain part, chain has got several options and all these options are listed on the website. The standard chain that we calculate is around 7 feet total length, 4 lines, but depending on the height of the ceiling, that can be adjusted. I'll give you the explanation for that too in a moment. Before that, let me talk about the chain itself. It's a brass chain, antique finish with 4 animal figures. One of the most liked chains and the heaviest chain as well, quite heavy in weight as well, and the most liked model because it gives the aesthetics a different look altogether. Wherever a jhula is placed like this, it makes the place entirely different. And this one is as per the client selection. They wanted a simpler design. They gave us the design and we have created it. There are so many designs on the website. You can pick or you can let us know what you want. We make different designs as per the requirement. Coming to the ceiling hooks, I'll show you we have different options, and all these options are with bearing. This has got a bearing, so there is no noise, no sound, and the movement is very smooth. And this has got a different setup. This is with 3 holes, 3 fasteners, 2 fasteners, and then we have 2 other options. When you have a solid beam on top, you can use this one. Place a hole and then insert this screw, this bolt, and tighten it, and this works fine. This is the ring. And similarly, this one, when you are getting the ceiling done at the time of construction, you can use this one, and this part goes inside it. You can weld it to the iron beams on top, or you can accordingly set it, and this part goes inside. It hides inside, so it's not visible, and then again this works absolutely fine. All these are with bearing. And similarly, I've got several options for the chain as well, in gold finish, in antique finish. You can pick what you like. We will provide you that. Now, coming to the sizes, that is really important to understand. If you already have installed the ceiling hooks, if the ceiling hooks are already installed, then we have to look at the seat. Now, let's see here. The hook is on top of the seat. It's on top. And there are seats where you have hook on the side. The hooks goes on the side. There are two options: on the top or on the side. Very simple calculation. Top less. If the hooks are on top, the total size of the seat minus 2 minus 2. Top less. So 5 feet seat, 2 inches less from this side, 2 inches less from this side. 60 minus 4, 56 inches is the distance between the hooks, and your chain will be fine. You can see this is a simple calculation, and when they are outside, 2 inches extra. So 60 plus 4, 2 and 2, 64 is the distance between the hooks. Simple calculation. So you can calculate the distance between the hooks. And vice versa, if the hooks are already installed, you can calculate the size of seat that will work in your place. Simple calculation, very easy to understand, very easy to remember also. The second question is always about the length of the chain required. Very simple calculation I'll give you. Whatever the height of the ceiling is, let's say it's 9 feet, minus 2, 7 feet is the chain that you require. Simple calculation, whatever the height is, minus 2 feet, and this is the height, this is the length of the chain that you require. 4 lines, and it is working. About the sitting height, it's a very important question, and why I always talk about this and no one really talks about it, because they don't really understand why is it important. And when I'm sitting on it, my toe should touch the ground like this. If it is too high, then I have to climb down, almost jump out or jump up to sit on it. This is not very comfortable, and we take an average height around 5.5 feet. So if we take that, around 20 inches, 20 inches is the comfortable sitting height. You can go up to 24 depending on the height. If you're a little taller, 6 feet higher, 24 is also fine, 2 feet, and this is the height of the seat should be. Simple calculation, very important, because if you're climbing down or climbing up, that's not comfortable. You may hurt yourself. And if it is too low, let's say it's very low, then you have to stretch your legs when you are swinging like this, because otherwise your feet will keep getting stuck on the ground, and that is again not comfortable position. This is really important, and that is why I explain this in my videos, why you need to know the height of the sitting of a ceiling swing. And similar case goes on the stand swing as well. So three things: seat, chain, and the ceiling hooks. Options I've shown you. The chain options are available on the website. The seat options are available on the website. Reversible seat, fixed seat, with cushion, without cushion, just the plank. All these options are available. Very heavy designs, lighter designs, and heavy carved designs, and you want something to match with your sofa, or the different colors, the fabric part, everything is customized as per your requirement. And that is why Arson furniture is known as choice wala furniture. Choice means everything: size, design, pattern, fabric, chain, ceiling hooks, everything. And delivery, right? 57 countries we are delivering to, and at factory price. Entire India we have covered, and we have decorated so many places, so many homes with our jhulas. You can go on our website, see the testimonial section. You'll find so many jhulas that people have received and installed in their place, and you can also get some idea from there. Let us know how you want it, what you want, which color you want, and we can make one at factory price and deliver right to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. We will be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.